Hello everyone, welcome to the Wonder Garden channel. I'm so glad to see you back on my channel. To make orchid care simpler and easier, while also helping the plants produce more buds, bloom beautifully with vibrant colors that last longer on the stems, we can use a variety of organic fertilizers. In today's video, I'll share with you a very simple and easy to make organic fertilizer that you can prepare right at home, using easily found ingredients that are safe for your plants and environmentally friendly. This care method not only helps orchids grow strong and healthy, but also promotes more uniform, long-lasting, and beautiful flowering over time. Let's take care of the orchids together right now. If you grow orchids in bark-based media, this type of growing medium tends to retain moisture poorly, and the pots are very well ventilated. So you should water the plants thoroughly, about once every 2 weeks. Use plenty of water and soak the pot, or allow the water to fully penetrate for about 1 hour so the bark can absorb enough moisture. This method ensures the orchid roots receive sufficient water, helps prevent root dehydration, supports better nutrient uptake, and promotes stable growth. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After 1 hour, when the roots have absorbed enough water and turn green like this, we can take the orchid out. At this point, the roots are plump, healthy, and ready to receive nutrients from the fertilizer in the most effective way. This helps improve nutrient absorption, reduce root shock, and support subsequent growth, root development, and flowering. To make today's fertilizer, I will use 1 tablespoon of rice. Rice contains many B vitamins along with essential minerals such as calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which help stimulate root growth, boost resistance, and support stable orchid growth. Before using it, I grind 1 tablespoon of rice into a fine powder so the nutrients can dissolve more easily and be better absorbed by the plant. Put the finely ground rice into a glass cup. Next, I use 3 cloves of garlic. Garlic contains allicin and many natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds that help protect the roots, reduce root rot, and prevent pests and diseases in orchids. The garlic is finely chopped, so the active compounds can be fully extracted into the solution. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. After that, add all the chopped garlic to the rice powder. Add 500 milliliters of boiling water. Next, stir the mixture thoroughly. Stirring helps the ingredients blend evenly. Finally, cover the container and let it steep for 3 hours so the nutrients are fully released, creating a nutrient-rich, safe, organic fertilizer solution that is excellent for orchids. After 3 hours of steeping, I strain out all the rice and garlic solids, keeping only the clear, nutrient-rich liquid. This straining step is very important, as it prevents the solution from settling, avoids clogging the roots, and ensures the growing medium remains healthy with long-term use. To ensure the orchid's safety, I dilute this nutrient-rich liquid with 1 liter of clean water. After dilution, the solution becomes mild and easily absorbed, making it suitable for regular use. Method 1. Pour the diluted solution into a small cup, then use a soft cotton pad or clean cloth to clean and wipe the orchid leaves. When wiping, gently cover the entire leaf surface to remove dust that has accumulated over time. This solution contains garlic, which provides effective antifungal properties and helps repel insects, reducing pest attacks on the orchid leaves. In addition, the B vitamins in the rice help the leaves become darker green, thicker, and healthier, boosting the plant's natural resistance. In particular, don't forget to thoroughly wipe the underside of the leaves, as this is where insects and fungi often hide the most. When the leaves are clean, the orchid can exchange nutrients more efficiently, absorb light and carbon dioxide from the air better, which helps the plant grow healthily, and lays the foundation for future root and flower development. Method 2. Pour the entire diluted solution into a dedicated watering container, then slowly and evenly water around the base of the orchid. When watering, apply gently so the solution gradually penetrates the growing medium, allowing the roots to absorb nutrients slowly and effectively. The rice and garlic solution helps stimulate strong root growth and enhances the root's ability to take up water and minerals. At the same time, garlic provides antibacterial properties, reducing fungi and harmful microorganisms in the medium, keeping the root zone clean and well aerated. You should continue watering the base this way every 2 to 4 weeks, combined with appropriate light and good air circulation. When the roots are healthy, the orchid will grow more steadily, maintain vibrant green leaves, and, most importantly, develop a strong foundation for early flower spike formation and long-lasting blooms. Method 3. Pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle, then mist it evenly over the entire orchid. When spraying, mist gently and finely, covering both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves, the stems, and the base on the surface of the growing medium. Misting helps the plant quickly absorb nutrients through the leaves, while the active compounds from garlic help prevent fungal infections and insect damage. The vitamins and minerals from the rice make the orchid leaves greener, thicker, and healthier, supporting efficient photosynthesis. After spraying, place the plant in a well-ventilated area with diffused light, avoiding direct sunlight until the leaves are completely dry. You should apply this method every 2 to 3 weeks to maintain the orchid's health and support long-term, stable growth. Results. After caring for my orchids with the rice and garlic solution, they remain healthy and grow steadily. New roots continuously emerge, with plump green tips that grip the growing medium firmly, showing a clear improvement in water and nutrient absorption. The leaves become thicker, darker green, glossy, and almost free from fungal infections or pest damage. Most importantly, healthy orchids can easily form new flower spikes, with plump buds that bloom beautifully and last longer. This is a simple and easy method, yet it delivers very positive results when applied consistently. Orchids need time, so be patient and care for your plants with all your love. When given sufficient attention and care, your orchids will reward you with long flower spikes, stunning, delicate, and vibrant blooms. What do you think of this orchid care method? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel to spread the passion for orchids with me.